Here are 5 easy ways for vegetarians to ensure adequate vitamin D intake. 1. Fortified foods. Many plant-based foods are fortified with vitamin D, such as fortified plant-based milks, for example, soy, almond, oat, or rice milk. Fortified orange juice, fortified cereals, and oatmeal. Check labels to ensure they include vitamin D2 vegetarian-friendly or D3 if derived from lichen, it's vegan-friendly. 2. Mushrooms exposed to UV light. Certain mushrooms, like maitake and portobello, produce vitamin D2 when exposed to sunlight or UV light. Look for UV-treated mushrooms at grocery stores or leave fresh mushrooms in direct sunlight for an hour to boost their vitamin D content. 3. Vitamin D supplements. Supplements are an easy and reliable source for vegetarians. Opt for vitamin D2, plant-derived or lichen-based vitamin D3 if you prefer a vegan option. Consult your doctor for dosage recommendations. 4. Sunlight exposure. Spending 10 to 30 minutes in sunlight a few times a week depending on your skin tone and geographic location can help your body produce vitamin D naturally. Aim to expose your face, arms, or legs without sunscreen during these short periods. 5. UV lamps or light boxes. If sunlight is limited, for example, during winter months, UVB lamps or light boxes can stimulate vitamin D production. Use these devices cautiously to avoid skin damage and follow manufacturer guidelines. Always remember that the best diet is balanced and includes all the vital macro and micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals. Including exercise in your regime plus a balanced diet is a better way to a healthy lifestyle.